quiz. Are these pine forests from Norway, Colorado, or Jamaica? If you guessed Jamaica, you're absolutely right. Most people have no idea that Jamaica has a stunning pine forest that looks like you've been transported to a completely different country. Today I'm taking you on my hike to Bullhead Mountain in Clarendon, where we'll hit the geographical center of Jamaica and reach a peak with breathtaking views. The more I discover about Jamaica, the more awestruck I become. We left Kingston at 7 a.m., watching the sunrise paint the mountains as we drove to Clarendon. The scenic drive alone was worth the early wake-up call. By 9:30, we pulled into Bullhead Forest Reserve, and immediately I knew this wasn't going to be like any other Jamaican hike I'd done before.
This is going to be a first-time experience for us all because Melissa has passed and devastated to the country, and we're also seeing the aftermath of the effects here as well. Alright? So welcome again, Bullhead Mountain.
Our tour guides Andre and Latanya from Fortis Tours led us through warm-up exercises and gave us the briefing. But honestly, I was barely listening because I was too busy staring at what was around me. The path was littered with pine cones and lined with pine trees on both sides. This is a full-on pine forest sitting right here in the middle of Jamaica. Through the trees, we could see endless green mountains rolling into the distance and villages tucked into the valleys below. Our first stop was the Bullhead sign, where we took photos and soaked in the incredible views of the nearby towns. The landscape here is so different from the beaches and tropical forests most people associate with Jamaica. This feels like a secret that only a few people know about. If you're loving this hidden side of Jamaica, go ahead and gently tap that like button. It helps us keep uncovering these amazing adventures for you. Then we hiked to the geographical center of Jamaica. There's actually a marker to prove it, and standing there knowing you're at the literal heart of the island hits different. We took more photos, rested for a bit, and even played some games. The energy was amazing, everyone laughing and enjoying this unique spot that most tourists will never even hear about. But we weren't done yet. The real challenge was still ahead, hiking to the peak. As we climbed higher, the views just kept getting better and better. I know I probably overused the word breathtaking, but when you're standing on top of Bullhead Mountain, looking out at panoramic views in every direction, there's really no other word for it. Mountains layering on top of mountains as far as you can see. Bullhead Mountain rises 3,600 feet above sea level. Let that sink in. We were up 3,600 feet surrounded by pine forests that most people don't even know exist in Jamaica. After taking what felt like 100 photos and resting at the peak, soaking in that accomplishment, we headed back down. We were tired and exhausted, but honestly, we felt absolutely victorious. Not many people can say they've hiked to the geographical center of Jamaica and conquered a 3,600-foot mountain in a pine forest that looks like it belongs in Europe. We're not just beaches and reggae. We've got mountains, forests, and landscapes so diverse, it'll blow your mind. Bullhead Mountain is proof that Jamaica still has secrets worth discovering. The scenery is unreal, the hike is challenging but totally doable, and the feeling you get standing at the top, knowing you've reached the center and the heights of this beautiful island, is absolutely incredible. So when you're planning your next Jamaican adventure, look beyond the coast. Head inland to Clarendon, lace up your hiking boots, and discover a side of Jamaica that'll leave you speechless.